Hello dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Today in this session we shall start with the problems related to our reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that is related to the chapter relation and function. Dear friends, this concept, that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, it is a very important concept asked in your annual examination for 3 marks question. Here it is. Okay, so before starting with the problems, let us look on to one more simple examples related to this reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and we shall compare it. Okay, we shall compare how reflexive, symmetric and transitive are different terms. Okay, in the previous class we had seen about lot of examples. Okay, lot of examples related to our differently, that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now today in this class together we shall see. So before starting with that, let us write down little bit definition of it. Okay, a relation R in A, in set A is reflexive, when it is reflexive for all, that is A comma A belongs to R, A comma A belongs to here, for all A belongs to the set A. Okay, now for each A belongs to A. Similarly, symmetric, when we say it is symmetric means if A comma B belongs to R, okay, if A comma belongs to R, that implies B comma A should also be belongs to R, then only we say that it is symmetric. At last, transitive is what? So if A comma B, okay, belongs to R, if A comma belongs to R, and it is very important thing, and B comma C belongs to R, also belongs to R, that implies A comma C should also belongs to R. Here both the conditions should satisfy. Okay, both the conditions should satisfy, that is AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then only we can check for transitive. Otherwise it is not. Okay, otherwise we can't check for the transitive. If suppose in the example you have only one, that is AB belongs to R, and you don't have anything starting with B next, okay, then need not to check the transitive, it is transitive only. Okay, now let us take examples so that we can compare all the three, reflexive, symmetry and transitive also. Okay, before that let us take a set A, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let us take a set 1 2 3 4 and we shall take R here, relation R equal to, we shall write the order pairs now, 1 1, okay, 1 2, okay, then we will write here 2 2, okay, 2 3, okay, 2 3, then we may write here 3 3, okay, 3 4 and then 4 4. Now here we have to check for all the three, that is reflexive, symmetry and transitive. We have to check for all these three things. Okay, whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not. Now the first one we have to observe that for every A belongs to A, that is for each and every element we should have a image of it. Image means what? 1 1 we have, then we should have 2 2, then we should have 3 3, then we should have 4 4. Okay, and it is present, therefore it is an reflexive relation. Now second one we shall move on for what? We shall move on for the symmetry. Symmetry means what? If we have AB, then we should have a symmetry of it. Symmetry means what? BA also we should have here. What we get here, that is if we have 1 2, do we have any 2 1 here? We don't have. Only one thing is sufficient to say that it is not symmetry. For example, here 1 2 is there, 2 1 we don't have. Similarly 2 3 we have, 3 2 is also not there, 3 4 is there, 4 3 is also not there, therefore it is not symmetry, Okay dear friends, please be cautious and listen carefully about this particular topic. If these examples are clear, then only we can move on to the different examples. Okay, next one comes the transitive. Transitive means what here? If suppose we have AB and we should have starting with the end one, that is BC belongs to R. Both should be there. Then only we say that AC belongs to R. Now how we have to take it? For example, here we have 1 1. Anything starting with 1 here, we are having 1 2. 1 2 is also there. 1 1 is there. 1 2 is there. That means 1 2 should also be there. That is also here. Then we have 1 2. We have 1 2. Then we have 2 3. 2 2. Okay. 1 2. 2 2. That means 1 2 is also present here. Okay, fine. We have 1 2. 2 3 we have. 1 2. 2 3. But do we have anything like 1 3? See here. 1 2. 2 is there. 2 3. Okay, starting with 2. But do we have anything like 1 3 here? 1 3 we don't have. Therefore it is not transitive. Therefore it is not transitive. Okay, it is not transitive because 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. You may have some more reasons also. What are those reasons? For example, 2 3 is there. 2 3 is there. 3 4 we have. But do we have anything like 2 4 here? 2 4 we don't have. Therefore it is not transitive. One simple example is sufficient to say that it is not transitive. Okay, now let us do the second problem. R equal to 1 1. Okay, R is equal to 1 1. Next we have 2 1 1 2 3 4 4 3 3 4 4 3, and then we can take it as 2 2 2 2. Next here 3 4 4 3, we shall take it as 3 3 3 3. Okay, now we shall check for the reflexive, symmetry and transitive, all the three. Now see here, reflexive means 1 1 is there, we should have 2 2, 3 3 is there, but 4 4 is not there. The 4 4 is not there means it is not at all reflexive. Reflexive doesn't satisfy us. Next comes to symmetry. Symmetry means 1 1 is there, the reverse 1 1 is also here. 2 1 is there, 1 2 is there, 3 4 is there, 4 3 is also there, 2 2 3 3. Okay, therefore it is symmetry here. Symmetry. Okay, symmetry. Next comes transitive. Transitive means what here? Again same it is 1 1 is there, anything starting with 1 1 2. That means 1 2 we should have, that is present here. Next 2 1 is there, anything starting with 1 here, 1 2 is there, therefore we should have 2 2. 2 2 is also present. Then 1 2, anything starting with 2 here. Okay, we are having 2 1. Okay, that means 1 1 is also there here. Similarly, anything starting with 2 here, 2 2 is there, therefore 1 2 is also here. Therefore what it is? It is nothing but our transitive. Next one. Next comes here 3 4. 3 4 we have. 3 4, anything starting with 4 here, 4 we have. Okay, none other elements, none other pairs are starting with 4 here. 3 4 4 3, therefore we are having 3 3. Okay, next one, we are having 4 3 4 3, any other element starting with 3 here, we are having 3 4. Okay, see here, observe here, we are having here 4 comma 3 belongs to R and 3 comma 4, okay, belongs to R. That means what we should have, that implies what we should have, both are present here. We should have 4 comma 4 should also belongs to R, we should have, but it is not there, isn't it? But it is not there. Therefore it is not at all transitive because 4 comma 4 does not belongs to R. Okay, it is a very simple example related to our these three, that is reflexive, symmetry and transitive. Let us take one more example. R equal to 1 comma 1 2 2 3 3, okay, 4 4 4 4. Now observe here, we are having here 1 1. Now observe here, we are having 1 1. The opposite of it, it is also here. 1 1 is also there. Then 2 2 is there. Again the reciprocal 2 2 is there. 3 3. Again the reciprocal is also there. 4 4. Okay. That means it is reflexive. Reflexive is okay. Then comes the symmetry. Symmetry means what here? Symmetry means what here? Symmetry means 1 1 is there. Again the reciprocal 1 1 is also here. Okay, then 2 2 is there, again the same thing is also there. 3 3, reciprocal is also there. 4 4, again it is there. Then comes the transitive. Then comes the transitive. Transitive means what? 1 1 is there. But please pay attention regarding this. We are having 1 1. But do we have anything like starting with 1 here? We don't have any element starting with 1 here. Okay, 2 2 is there. We don't have any element starting with 2. That means here if we have AB belongs to R, compulsory we should have BC belongs to R. That means starting with and 1. We don't have such thing. If we don't have, we can't check for transitive. Okay, already it is transit. It is understood that it is transitive only. Therefore, it is transitive. Okay, therefore it is transitive. Please pay attention regarding this. Okay, this example, pay attention regarding this. Okay, dear friends, let us take one more example. R equal to 1 2 2 3 1 3. Then we may have 3 1 3 1, and then 1 1 we have, then 2 1 2 1. Now let us observe for all these three. All these three means what we have? First of all, reflexive. Reflexive means what? 1 1 2 2 nothing is there, only 1 1 is there, 2 2 not there, 3 3 not there, 4 4 not there, because we are having for each A belongs to H means each and every one. So it is not reflexive. Symmetry. Symmetry, whether it is there or not. 1 2 is there. Do we have any 2 1? Yes, 2 1 is there. Then 2 3. Do you have 3 2 here? 3 2 is not there. Therefore it is not symmetry. Now check for the transitive. Transitive means how? We have 1 2 2 3. We should have 1 3 here. Then we'll check for 2 3. 2 3 is there. 2 3 3 1. That means we should have here 2 3 3 1. We should have 2 1. Then anything starting with 3? Nothing. Okay. Then 1 3. We are having 1 3. Anything starting with 3 here? 3 1. Therefore we are having 1 1. Next. Again the same thing here. 1 2 is there. Starting with 2 means 2 1 is there. Therefore we are having 1 1 here. At last 3 1 1 1. Therefore what we should have? Observe here 3 1 1 1. What we should have? 3 1 we should have. That is also present here. Okay, that is also present. Therefore what we say it is an example for transitive. It is example for transitive. Okay, dear friends, now please pause the video to note it down. Now we shall start with the exercise, first exercise related to this particular chapter. Okay, dear friends, now let us start with the exercise 1.1. The first problem, what does it says? It says determine the relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. He had given us the relation R equal to R in the set A equal to 1 2 3 13 14. That means 1 2 3 4 till 13 14 elements. Next, how he has defined the R here? R is defined by x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Now let us observe here the first one. We shall define it. R equal to what we have? X comma y, okay, such that I can also write as 3x equal to y. I can write such that I can write it as 3x comma y. Okay, now I will write down all the order pairs, that is R equal to. So now what we have here? X comma y we have. Okay, x comma y. That means what is the value for y? Y equal to 3 times of x. Y equal to 3 times of x. That means if you are taking here 1, if you are taking x as 1, y becomes what? Y becomes 1 into 3. 1 into 3 becomes 3. Then if I take x as 2, okay, pay attention here. This is in set builder form. We are writing in the roster form. Okay, that is related to our first PUC chapter. And already we have discussed all these things in the introduction chapter. Now, if we are taking x equal to 2, okay, then what is the y value? Y equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Then if I taking x equal to 3, if I take x equal to 3, 3 3s are 9. Then if I take x equal to 4, okay, these are all continuing things. 4, then y becomes 4 3s are 12. Then if I take x equal to 5, x equal to 5 means what is the y value? 5 3s are 15. But do we have any elements called 15 over here? Because both x and y belongs to the R here, the set A here, but we can't find here 14. The last one is 14. 15 is not there. Therefore we can't take it. The last what we have here, at last we have only 4 comma 12. At last we will have only the last one 4 comma 12. Now this is nothing but our relation in the roster form. We shall find out now reflexive, symmetry and transitive. Okay, dear friends, so first of all we shall start with the reflexive. reflexive. Now what do we have regarding reflexive? Reflexive means what we have here, we have to check for 1 comma 1. See here, observe the set 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, like that, so on till 14 comma 14 we should have here, but we don't have any such elements, therefore it is not reflexive, therefore it is not reflexive. Okay, so it is not reflexive. Then we shall check for now symmetry. Symmetry means what? If we have 1 3, we should have 3 1. We should have any 3 1. We don't have any 3 1. 2 6, we should have 6 2. We don't have any 6 2. Therefore it is not symmetry. Symmetry. And the last one, that is transitive. Transitive means what? We have 1 3. If we have 1 3, we are having 3 9. We are having 3 9. But do we have any term called 1 9 anywhere? We don't have. Okay, 2 6 is there, starting from 6 nothing is there. Okay, 3 9 starting from 9 nothing is there. 4 12 starting from 12 nothing is there. But it is only one thing to say that it is not transitive, that is 1 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 9 belongs to R. That means we should have 1 comma 9 belongs to R. We don't have any terms, therefore it is not at all transitive. Not at all transitive. Okay, dear friends, it is a very simple example. Okay, in the examination he is asking in this manner, reflexive, symmetric or not. Not reflexive, why? Because 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, like this many you can write. Similarly, not transitive means 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Okay, or you can write directly, write 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R. For not transitive, what you can write? You can write 1 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 9 is there. 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R, you can write. Okay, that is a simple reason to say that it is not reflexive, not symmetry, not transitive. Okay, now the next example, second one. Second example, what he has given? He has given very simple, it is relation R in the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers means what? 1 2 3 4, 2 until infinity. And he has defined R as, okay, I will directly write down here R equal to, okay, the second question it is R equal to, in the roster form I will write down x comma y such that y equal to x plus y. And what he has given? X is less than 4. Less than 4 means 1 2 3, only less than it is, not equal to 4. Less than 4 means I can take 0 minus 1 also, but what he has given? R in the set of natural numbers he had given. Both x and y belongs to set of natural numbers here. If I take x as 1 here, if I take x as 1 here, what is the value for y here? Y equal to 1 plus 5. What we get here? 1 plus 5 is 6. Then if I take x as 2, what is the value for y? Y equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. Then if I take x equal to, if I take x equal to 3, x equal to 3, what we get the y value? Y equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now we shall check for reflexive, symmetry and transitive. All these three we shall check. For the first one, that is reflexive. Reflexive means we have 1 6. Do we have anything called 6 1? We don't have anything called 6 1. We have 2 7. We don't have any 7 2. We are having 3 8. We don't have any 8 3. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Reflexive, because what is the reason? You can write 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Because next, transitive, symmetry. Symmetry means what? We are having 1 6. Do we have 6 1? No, not symmetry. Because what is the reason? 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R. At last, transitive. Transitive means what we have here? 1 comma 6 is there. Anything starting with 6 now? Nothing is there. We can't check for transitive. Next, 2 7 is there. Anything starting with 7 here, order pair? Not there. We have 3 8. Anything starting with 8 here? Nothing is there. Therefore, it is transitive. It is transitive. Transitive. Okay, why it is transitive? Because we can't, because the definition of the transitive is not applicable. If it is not applicable means it is obvious that it is transitive only. It is transitive only. Okay, because 1 6 is there, we should have both of it. Okay, next one, third one. third one example. Directly I will write down the R here in terms of order pairs. R equal to, what is the question now? Relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is given. R equal to x comma y. Y is divisible by x here. Y is divisible by x here. Y is divisible by x means here if I take x equal to 1, how the elements are there? Elements are x comma y. Okay, if I take x equal to 1, okay, y should be divisible by x. If I take 1 divided by 1, it is divisible. Then 1 comma 2 I can write, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, okay, 1 comma 5 and 1 comma 6 I can write. Okay friends, because 1 is divisible by 1, 2 divided by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, 5 by 1, 6 by 1, it is okay. Next one, if I take x equal to 2, okay, if I take x equal to 2, I can write 2 comma 1, but I can write 2 comma 2, okay. Similarly, I can write 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, okay, 2 comma 6. Y is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2, like that. Similarly, if I take x equal to 3, okay, I can write here 3 comma 3. And what elements I can take? 3 comma 6, because 6 is divisible by 3. We can't write here 5 is divisible by 3 or 4 is divisible by 3. We can't write in that manner. Okay, next one, at last 4 comma 4, then we can't write anything, then 5 comma 5, and then at last 6 comma 6. These are all the elements. Now we shall check for reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Of course it is reflexive. Why it is reflexive? Because we have 1 1, we have 2 2 here, we have 2 2 here, okay. Now it is reflexive. It is reflexive. Now let us start about the symmetry. Symmetry means what? We have 1 1. Anything starting with 1 2, 1 2 is there, that implies 1 2 is also there. 1 3, 1 1, 1 3 is there. Okay. Symmetry means 1 1 1 1. 1 2 is there anything we have 2 1? We don't have 2 1. 1 3 is there, we don't have any 3 1 here. 1 4 is there, we don't have any 4 1. Therefore what we can say? It is not symmetry. Symmetry. Next, at last, transitive. Transitive means what? We have 1 1, 1 2 is there, again 1 2 is here, 1 1, 1 3 is here, we are having 1 3, 1 1 is there, 1 4 we have, again same 1 4 is here, 1 1 1 5, 1 5 is here. Similarly, then now anything starting with 2 here, we have 1 2, we have 1 2, anything starting with here 2 6, we have 2 4. That means we should have here 1 4 is there, then we are having 1 2, 2 6, we are having 1 6 here. Okay, next one 1 3 is there. Okay, now nothing is starting with 2 here, we shall leave 1 3. 1 3 means starting with 3 means 3 3, we are having again 1 3. Then 1 3 means we are having 3 6, 1 6 is there also there. Okay, next 1 4 is there, 1 4 means 4 4, again we have 1 4 here. 1 5, 5 5 means again 1 5 is there. 1 6 is there, 6 6, again 1 6 is there here. We are having 2 2, 2 2 means here starting with 2 means 2 4, again 2 4 is here. 2 2 means 2 6, again 2 6 is also there. Similarly we can start with the remaining things. 2 4, anything starting with 4 here, 4 4 is there, again 2 4 is there, 2 6 is there, 6 6 also there, that implies 2 6, it is also there. Similarly 3 3, okay, 3 3 we have 3 6, okay, 3 6 also here. Next one, any other elements? Now 4 4 we have the term starting with 4, nothing is there, need not to check. 5 5 is there, okay, 5 5 is the term starting with 5, no terms are starting with 5, okay, need not to check. At last 6 6, 6 means term starting with 6, no terms are starting with 6, we can't apply, therefore it is transitive. Transitive. So now what is the reason for not symmetry? Because 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R, or 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Okay dear friends, it was a very simple example related to our reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In the next class, okay, in the next class we shall start the remaining problems related to our reflexive, symmetry and transitive. Dear friends, please pause the video to note it down.